You don't need to do affiliate marketing. No website required. You don't have to the social media following. Also, you don't need to the skill or the previous experience to do this method. Today, I will be teaching you the method where you will feel absolutely easy as you can start making money online thanks for the website I recently found. But before we start, welcome to the Rich Podric, where we can teach you how to make the money online. And the simplest way to make sure you subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bells, so whatever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video to the bit of the thumbs up. And ever you have any corners, questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave the comments down below. Now let's get back to the videos, so let's get started. The website which I will be taking you about is something that you already might have heard, and if you haven't heard about this yet, this website is cgintcd.com. If you This website will make you absolutely great for job, so work online and online because now you have enough skills. If you have a few hours a day which you can spend in front of your PC, spend your phone PC and exclusive small times of the bound and high payful to the tasks that you're able to the right place. Their recruitings are the hire the flexible people who strive to change the challenge. Self-confident and who seek immediate responsibility. They will pay for your time if you're free to join. Yes, they also are free to something that I know a lot of the you love about this is the methods are available worldwide. So whatever you are in the world, you can do this. Now if you just scroll down a bit, you will see these three people. This lady right here is from the Philippines. This Elisa Hughes is from United States, and this guy is from the Australia. They all comes from the different parts in the world, which explains and which provides them. This is the available worldwide. There are some of the benefits of the working online with these websites. Work from the anywhere in the place and anytime if you want to become the location independent, and if you're from anywhere in the world, or perhaps you just want the flexibility to work for yourself, then this is the portal for you to earn money as much as you want without investments. The cginc.com. If you let's go to the FAQ. Okay, as you can see, when and how often to be paid. You will be some business and involves to our businesses clients perhaps every 2 weeks, every Friday. You can email or mail the invoices to them. You will be billed them for all of the work completed during the preceding 2 weeks, including the day of the invoices. Your invoice will be the pay 22 days after the invoice days. Do you have to any choice between or perform to my work? In general, you can do your work anytime you choose. There are the few exceptions. However, the client's trombones requires impacts of the time work. Are there any questions about wherever I do my work? You can perform your work anywhere you have to the connection to the internet. Our sites perhaps have to set databases sites in the internet that you will long ago. We recommend DSL to the cable modern connections after the entertaining your user ID passwords. You will be chosen from our list projects. Each project has its own project screen. The data you enter will be limited to scroll to the web server when you are done working to just log off. How does they will know how much to work I did? When you log into your client parents database systems, you will be required to enter on the username, the password. Your username will be recommended to the part of the data for each documented parts process. tons, given the accurate count of your work. This also gives them the audit to the trio for the quality essential to and control. May I get other people to perform the work for me? Yes, but only if you provide the direct impressions, they sign up to the client's confidential agreement, and you provide the evidence of the having the platform approve the criminal background checks. Either the quorum is satisfied. No? Are there any fees I must? No, you don't need to pay any single cents to us before the after the supply of the jobs. Do I have to buy the new software? Generally, no. In the case of the circulations of the advanced projects, it requires the use of the third-party software if you do not already have the software. You will have the obtained of the software directly from the software company. Currently, only one of our project requires such software. It costs 99 cents, dollars. In addition, you will need the software programs from the Citrix that enables you to connect to our data entry center. The Citrix programs is a free download. How soon I will be connected? There the currently 166,000 freelancers platforms performing various database servers for our well-known clients partners. We do not want to discourage you from the registration. However, there is a very long waiting list of the people who have signed up to be considered, and it would be unrealistic for you to expect to connect it anytime soon. Why do I need the DLS or cable to modem connections? All of your work involves the typing from the scanned images. The images requires the fast connections in the other to be displayed quickly. If you have the slow connections, it will take too long to the images to be displayed to your. You will be waiting a lot of the time. Will clients partners deduct any text? No, they won't deduct any type of the text. I have two other questions. Ready to connect? Simple. Just visit the Connect us and send an email. We will answer you in the 2-4 working days. So, guys, as you can see, this company is pretty light, and the company makes things as easy for you. No negotiations, no meetings, no discussions with any company. You get the benefits from us for creating the jobs. Companies is submitted to get the payments. Okay, this we check out. Let's go back to the homepage and online teaching. Earn money by providing your teaching service. Apply today for the online teaching jobs in any subjects. Skilled tutors are required to teach students for a grade level from the skilled K2 college level grade. Start today to work at the part-time of the full-time tutor with the required online tutoring company. Our clients' companies are ready to pay the best to the market for the same to you. Okay, let's check out this more. What is the online teaching? Online teaching is an affordable tutoring services for the students interconnected of their own home through the internet. Online teachers is required for the work from the online from home teaching tutors. All work will be done to our clients' parents services will their clients support services sponsors with Jobs Nature. We are also associated with the many online tutor services provided the organizations for the tutoring in the math, science, English, and more. Our businesses, clients, partners are providing online teaching jobs services is in free. They are ready to pay best in the market for the same to you. Job rates earn up to 30 to 60 per project or per hours. Rates are depends on the length of the teaching sessions. If you get a work online teachings with the 3 hours per hour, suppose you teach 2 hours per day, that you estimate earning $60 in a day. If you attend to the online teaching classes only 25 days in the production, it will earn you up to $1,500 a month. It must be a read, write, and speak proficiency in applied subjects, well-known to or more languages, experience in the grammatical knowledge and comfort with the MC Office. Simple of the work. To understand that how you can teach the students as the online teacher, we provide some ebooks or videos assigned to work for you. Payments. You will be paid directly from your clients, partners, companies. Once you reach the full limit, $25. Uh, Receive your earnings by PayPal, checks, or online money transfers. Payments are made with you the 15th of the every month. If your earning does not cross their sought point or particular months, in that conditions, your payment will be carried on to the next payment cycle. Registration is absolutely free. There are no hiding before the offer joins. Select the product. Submit your details through the online applications from your knowledge and the companies they are provided will receive our special team. If they find you available, then you will be connected to by our team. Disclaimer. CGC is not the employer but the recruiting agency. We introduce education and skillful people to the other offline employers. Okay guys, as you can see, it's pretty cool site, so as always, make money online.